Hi, it's Mark, or Tech Dad, for everyone in India, Southern USA, everywhere in the world, in Africa, everywhere where you have hot weather. Come and see this, please. So yeah, I live in Montreal, Canada. Now I just need to shovel a bit of snow today. This is my electric car. So yeah, it's pretty cold outside. Please, for me, go to the beach, have fun outside, play golf, I don't know. I'm gonna work. Later today I will finish my video on the LG V30. The LG V30 was launched in Q4 2017. It was one of the most underrated phones by the general public due in large part to the lack of popularity of its parent company, LG. In 2019, this phone is still an incredible purchase because of its incredibly low price. The LG V30, however, is a special phone that will not please everyone in the general public, but will satisfy the demanding needs of a certain niche. The video recording capabilities of this phone are exceptional, and few phones on the market can compete. The LG V30 is equipped with a 10-bit HDR video sensor that can record over 1 billion colors compared to the 16.7 million typical of other phones on the market. This allows for a greater color fidelity. In addition, it is possible to record in log mode like many other phones, but the 10-bit sensor unleashes the full potential of such a function. The LG V30 can compete with professional camera on the market as long as the light conditions are good enough for the small sensor. One aspect to improve is the stabilization of the image, which is not the best. As much as the video recording qualities of this phone are unanimous, it is otherwise with the pictures. Basically, the phone takes decent pictures and horrible selfies. However, the addition of a small program available on the web can add the features and performance of the best cell phone in the field in 2018, the Google Pixel 2. Remember that LG is the manufacturer of the XL2, and the physical characteristics of the main lens are substantially the same. With this application installed, it is called GCAM. You can find many videos on this on my channel. The LG V30 takes exceptional pictures with all the lenses. This is the proof that LG needs to improve its software design. The community is currently working hard to bring the feature of the Pixel 3 to LG phone, and it is currently possible to use the night sight feature with the LG V30. LG's recent phones are also equipped with a wide-angle lens that is much more convenient than the telephoto lens found on many phones of other brands. The LG V30 is still equipped with a 3.5mm headphone jack. In addition, it comes with a hi-fi quad DAC capable of producing high-quality sound even on professional high-impedance headphones. The phone is also equipped with 2 quality microphones for stereo sound recording of surprising high quality. The phone has a simple but elegant design, without any notch or unpleasant border. The phone is also very thin and lightweight for all the features offered, in addition to having a pretty good battery life. The fingerprint scanner is located at the back of the phone and works flawlessly. The QHD AMOLED screen is great, not the best on the market. Samsung is still the king here, but I'm very happy with it. The main reason to buy this phone right now is its price. In early 2019, you can find this phone at a price of around $300 and often much less for almost new and used phones. This is a price comparable to several bad phones on the market or some Chinese phone of medium range. However, the LG V30 is not a perfect phone. Here are 5 reasons not to buy a LG V30 in 2019. Number 1. If you do not add the GCAM function to the phone, the selfies are simply worthy of a BlackBerry of 2013. I just don't understand how LG was able to launch the phone like this. It makes no sense. Now with GCAM, the selfies are amazing, so it's not a deal breaker. Second, the slow motion recording are just bad and there is nothing to do about it. This is unacceptable for what is otherwise the best video recording phone on the market. The third reason is the phone has the best audio jack on the market, but it has also the worst, and when I mean the worst, it's the worst speaker of all flagship that I know of. The fourth reason is the phone has only 4 gigs of RAM and use about 3/4 out of the box, which could limit the performance of this phone in the future. For now, I don't have any problem, but I could have taken maybe 6 gigs. Finally, the fifth reason, there is not many accessories available on the market and the resale value is atrocious. This is for a simple reason, LG phones are not popular. This phone is very unknown, so it's a plus because you can have it for a very low price, like I said earlier, but please don't buy this as a premium price or a high new value price. You need to bargain the price of this phone. In conclusion, the LG V30 is currently a deal in 2019 and I highly recommend it if your budget does not allow you to get a flagship from this year. However, you must be ready to make some software addition to the phone in order to get photo quality worthy of the hardware. Thank you all. Subscribe, like. See you next time. Ciao.